Hello friends, I welcome you all to GIPL Software Talk. I'm Ruchita Kikani and I'm working with GIPL as software engineer. Today we are going to provide detailed information of Angular. Though we are covering basic stuff including introduction of Angular, who uses of Angular. Following that, we shall see the version information and prerequisite, and we shall be creating Angular app from scratch and see what the files and folder are created along with project. Also, we shall see how this Angular application actually works. So stay connected with us till the end to know full details. Before we start our topic, I would like to provide some information about GIPL. GIPL is a government organization. GIPL provides IT and IT-enabled services to different government organizations. We provide informative video about government software and latest technology tutorial. To get latest video, please press on bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Let's start our video. Before we move on to see what exactly is Angular. Angular is an open source web application that is maintained by Google. It is based on TypeScript language, which is also an open source programming language developed by Microsoft. TypeScript. TypeScript is a primary language for Angular application development, and it is a subset of JavaScript with design time support for type safety and tooling. As well as browser cannot execute TypeScript directly. That's why TypeScript must be transpiled into JavaScript using the TSC compiler, which requires some configuration. Now, there are many reasons why Angular is considered to be the best. Angular is easy to use. Now, Angular allows creating full-fledged professional websites with much less code. Angular works on the client side, which make it compatible for both desktop and mobile application. Besides this, Angular provides filter to filter out the different type of data such as number lowercase and uppercase letter, etc. And Angular allows two-way data binding, which means if few changes are made to the models, the corresponding views also get updated accordingly. Modularity. This is one of the biggest reasons for Angular's popularity. Developer can make use of different modules to create single-page application. Testing abilities. Angular provides easy and simple testing as a result of module separation feature. And Angular is flexible and extensible. As well as Angular is very accommodating when it comes to integrating with existing technology stack. Before creating project, let's discussing version info of Angular. You can see updating version information using angular.io website. Moreover, Angular team has released the following Angular versions. They released with AngularJS 1 to Angular version 10. Nevertheless, they also updated new features version by versions, including rewriting TypeScript code, faster compilation, better bug fixing, build optimizer, and so forth. Let's discuss Angular version 9. Version 9 moves all applications to use the Ivy compiler by default. Let's discuss what exactly Ivy is. Angular 9's compiling and rendering engine is known as Ivy. In addition to hundreds of bug fixes, the Ivy compiler offers numerous advantages. Let's explore each and every merits. To commence with, first merit is smaller bundle sizes. In this Angular 9 feature, the bundle sizes are likely to decrease by 25 to 40% based on app size. Smaller apps benefit the most from the tree-shaking feature of Ivy as they have to generate less code for the Angular components. Now go through second benefit is faster testing. In Ivy, TestBed does not recompile components between tests unless component has been manually overwritten, which allow it to avoid recompilation between the grand majority of tests. Now, next one is better debugging. Ivy provides you with more tools to debug your applications when running an application in dev mode with the Ivy runtime. We now offer the new ng object for debugging. After then, next merit is improve CSS class and style sheet binding. The Ivy compiler and runtime provides improvements for handling style sheet. Next one is improve type checking. The Angular compiler can check more of the types of your application and it can apply more strict rules. This feature will help you and your team catch bugs earlier in the development process. Last but not least merit is improve build errors. The new Ivy compiler is not only faster and offers stronger type safety, it also makes all of error messages easier to read. Let's see one demo of how to create Angular project. First, when you are creating Angular project, please make sure you have installed Node.js and npm in Windows. So you should install Node.js using nodejs.org website that provides latest version of Node. First, click here and download Node.js. Once the installer finishes downloading, launch it. Follow one by one step. The wizard will let you select component to include or remove from the installation. Again, unless you have a specific need, accept the default by clicking Next. Finally, click the installer button to run the installer. Please wait while installation. When it finishes, click Finish. After install Node.js, you should install npm with CLI using cli.angular.io website. You can see the command script. Therefore, we are going to open command prompt and type drive name whichever you have to comfortable for creating Angular project. Just type command npm space install space -g space @angular /CLI and press enter. You can see the packages are installing. After installation of npm, you can check the version of Angular. So we are typing npm space -version. Or you can also use short command like npm space -v. Press enter key. In order to, you can see the latest version of Angular. After checking version, you can also check version of Node.js. If install live, type node space -v. Press enter. You can see exact version of Node.js so that I have already installed this version in my computer. After installing npm, select specific folder to create new project. Type following command cd space folder name. After press enter key. Then please type command ng space new space project name. Whatever you would like to add project name and press enter key. Then after they ask you one question. Would you like to add Angular routing? So you can press yes. When you entering yes, along with they ask you one more question is which style sheet format would you have to use? So select whatever style sheet format you have to use so that we are selecting CSS format and select all packages are installing. Please wait while installation. Moreover, after creating project, you should check Angular project created or not. However, you can go to the drive, whatever drive in created your project, as well as you can see the folder we are created and also check node details. And the node module directory is only for build tools, as well as the package.json file in the app root defines what libraries will be installed into node modules when you run npm install. Today's session we have been covered how create project from scratch. Now next knowledge sharing video we will explain Angular files and folder structure and common configuration along with routing. Now we are ending today's session. We hope that you will find Angular demo useful and interesting in your work. By following this guide, you should able to quick start making Angular project. I hope that all this information was useful to you. Thank you for watching video. For any IT and IT enabled services, you can contact GIPL with showing detail on screen. If you like to our video, please like the video and share with your friends and family members. We will meet you in our next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home and take care of yourself.